Welcome to Math Simplified. This video is for 9th standard students. We are studying the third chapter Algebra. Today's topic is linear equations, graphs, exercise 3.10. Please subscribe and share with your friends also. Question 1. Draw the graph for the following. Y is equal to 2x. First, what we are going to do is we are going to draw a table like this. Draw these lines. Put x and y here. Now we are going to take random values of x. Okay, here I have taken -1, 0, 1. You can take any other numbers. You can take 2, 3, -3, any numbers you can take. For convenience sake, I have taken these simple numbers. Okay, now first we are going to substitute the value of x as -1 in this equation. So if you put x is equal to -1 here, you get 2 into -1, that is -2 is equal to y. We will write down -2 here against y beneath -1 like this. Okay. Now put the value of x as 0, 2 zeros as 0, y is equal to 0, write it down here. Put x is equal to 1, 2 into 1 is 2, write down y is equal to 2. So, okay. Now we have got these points, or ordered pairs you can say. So this is -1 comma -2. Let us plot this point. Take a graph paper, draw the x-axis, y-axis, put the numbers here, put the intersection as 0, put 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3 like this. For the y-axis, the positive numbers go up like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative numbers down. Okay, you know how to do the graph. Okay, let's plot the first point, -1, -2. Okay, so the x coordinate is -1, the y coordinate is -2. If you draw lines like this, you get the point here. So this is the point -1, -2. Point 0, 0 is this point. Okay, 1, 2. X coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 2. This is the point. Now join the 3 points like this. This line is this equation, y is equal to 2x. Okay, let's do another sum. Okay, second sum is y is equal to 4x minus 1. Always the linear equation will always have a straight line as the graph. Always remember that. Okay, now let's try to get some points. Put the table like this, write x and y. Write down random numbers. Here I have written -1, 0 and 1. Put the value of x as -1 in this equation. Y is equal to 4 into -1 -1. You get -4 -1, that is -5. This value of y, write it down here. Put x is equal to 0 here. You get 4 into 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 is -1. Write down -1 here. Put x is equal to 1. 4 into 1 is 4. -1 is 3, write down 3. Okay, let's plot -1, -5. So here in the graph paper, do the x-axis, y-axis. Okay, and here is -1 and this is -5 on the y-axis. So here is the point. This is -1, -5. 0, -1. X coordinate is 0 and the y coordinate is -1. So this is the point. Okay, 1 and 3. X coordinate is 1. Draw a line like this. Y coordinate is 3. So here is the point. Okay, so we have plotted the 3 points. Join them and you get this line as the graph of y is equal to 4x minus 1. Okay, third sum, y is equal to 3 upon 2x plus 3. Okay, so here this is the equation. We are going to find 3 points. Okay, let's take x is equal to 2 here. Why I have taken 2? So that I can cancel out this 2 in the denominator. Okay, and you will get a whole number. Otherwise, if you put 1 here, you will get 3 upon 2 plus 3. It will be a fraction and it is difficult to plot points, fraction points on this. And it can be done, but it's difficult. So let's keep it simple. Let's try to avoid the fractions. I'll put 2 here. So here 3 upon 2 multiplied by 2, the 2 will get cancelled, we are left with 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So the first point is 2, 6. Where is that point? See here, the x-axis. X coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 6. If you draw the lines like this, you get this point. So this is the point 2, 6. Okay, now let's put x is equal to 0. So this whole fraction becomes 0. And you're left with y is equal to 3. Okay, so this is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3. So this is the point, second point. And x is equal to minus 2. We are going to put here. So here, when you multiply this with minus 2, this will get cancelled and this will become minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0. Okay, so when x coordinate is minus 3, y coordinate is 0. Sorry, x coordinate is minus 2, y coordinate is 0. So minus 2 is here, y coordinate here, and this point is 0. So this is the third point. Join all the 3 points, you will get this line, which is this equation. Okay, next sum, 3x plus 2y is equal to 14. Okay, first write down in terms of y is equal to 14 minus 3x upon 2. Okay, now here again we are going to put the value of x as 2 so that we can cancel out these fractions. Okay, put here 2 and substitute and evaluate, you get the value 4. Put x is equal to 0, you get y is equal to 7. Put x is equal to minus 2 here and evaluate, you get y is equal to 10. Okay, so here is the graph. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So the first point is 2, 4. So 2 is here, 4 is here. You draw the lines, this is the point. Okay, second point is 0, 7. So from here, x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 7. So this is the point. And x is minus 2 here and y is 10. So here is 10 minus 2. Okay, so this is the third point. Now draw a line, and this line is the graph of this equation. Okay, second question, solve graphically. There are two equations given and we have to find the values of x and y, which will satisfy both the equation. Okay, so this is the first one. Let's plot this line on the graph paper. For that we need at least 2 points. Okay, so first write down this equation like this. Put x is equal to 0, you get y is equal to 7. And put x is equal to 7 here, you get y is equal to 0. Very two simple points I am going to take. Okay, and these are the 2 points. This is 7, 0 and this is 0, 7. You draw this line. This line is the first line, x plus y is equal to 7. Now take the second line, x minus y is equal to 3. Y is equal to x minus 3. Put a value of x as 3, you get y is equal to 0. Put x as 0, you get y is equal to minus 3. Again, two simple points. You can easily plot it. This is 3, 0 and this is 0, minus 3. Draw a line. As you can see, both the lines will intersect at this point here. Let's find the coordinates of this point. Okay, draw a line like this. X coordinate is 5. Draw a line like this. The y coordinate is 2. So 5, 2 is the solution. Okay, this point will satisfy both the lines. Okay, let's do another sum. 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. 9x plus 6y is equal to 12. So there are two equations here. We will get two lines. Okay, take the first equation. Put value of x as 0. You get y is equal to 2. Put x as 2. You get y is equal to minus 1. So 0, 2 and 2 minus 1 are the 2 points. Okay, let's plot 0, 2 is this point and 2 minus 1 is this point. So this is the first line when you join them. Okay, take the next equation. So you put the value of x as 4 here. You get y is equal to minus 4 as the point. Put x is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to 5. You can take any values of x. You will definitely get a value of y. You can plot those points. Okay, I have taken these values. And these are the 2 points. So if you join them, you can see actually it is the same line. So here the point of intersection is what? So many points of intersection. Both the lines, like so they are identical lines. So they have infinite number of solutions. Okay. Third sum, x upon 2 plus y upon 4 is equal to 1. X upon 2 plus y upon 4 is equal to 2. Take the first equation. Put x is equal to 0. You get the value of y as 4. Put y is equal to 0. X is equal to 2. So 0, 4 and 2, 0 are the 2 points. Okay. Let's plot them. So this is 0, 4 and this is 2, 0. This is the line. For the second line, again x is equal to 0, y is 8. Y is equal to 0, x is 4. So 4, 0 is this point and 0, 8 is this point. You connect it, this is the line. This is the second line. Both are parallel. They do not intersect each other. So they have no solutions. Okay. This is the fourth sum, x minus y is equal to 0, y plus 3 is equal to 0. So here, take the first equation. Both are equal. X is equal to y. So if you take value of x as 1, y also will be 1. Take x as 2, y is also 2. You can take any point. If you take x as 4, y also will be 4. Okay. So let's plot this point. This is 1, 1. This is 2, 2. Join it. This is the first line. Okay. Take the second equation. Y is equal to minus 3. So what are the points? You can take value of x as 1. The y value will be always minus 3. Take any value of x, the y value has to be minus 3. Okay, let's plot this point. You get this 1, minus 3 and 4, 4, minus 3 here. Draw a line. So these two lines intersect at this point. What are the coordinates of this point? The x coordinate is minus 3. The y coordinate is also minus 3. Solution is minus 3 comma minus 3. Sum number 5, y is equal to 2x plus 1 and y plus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. So these are the two equations. Let us plot these lines. Take the first equation, put the value of x as 0, y is equal to 1. Put x as 1, y is equal to 3. So these are the 2 points. So here it is 0, 1 and 1, 3. Draw a line like this. Okay. Then take the next equation. Put x is equal to 0, y is 6, x is equal to 2, y is 0. So here 0, 6 and 2, 0 are the 2 points. 2, 0, 0, 6. Draw the line. They intersect at this point 1, 0. So the answer is 1, 0 is the point of intersection. That is the solution. Okay. Next sum 6. X is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 3. So for this equation, whatever is the value of y, the value of x will always be minus 3. So the points you can take as minus 3, 0, minus 3, 4. You can even say minus 3, 2, minus 3, minus 2. Or any point will satisfy this. Always the x coordinate will be minus 3. Okay, let's plot this. Here it is. So this is minus 3, 0 and minus 3, 4. So this is the line, first line. Okay, y is equal to 3. Whatever is the value of x, the value of y will always be 3. So you can take any values of x. Okay, 0, 3 is here, 4, 3 is here. I have taken these two values. Draw a line. They intersect at this point, minus 3, comma 3. See here, minus 3 and this is 3. So this is the solution. Question 3. Two cars are 100 miles apart. If they drive towards each other, they will meet in 1 hour. If they drive in the same direction, they will meet in 2 hours. Find their speed using graphical method. Let x and b be the speed of two cars. We know this formula, speed is equal to distance upon time. So time is equal to distance upon speed. Okay. So here the distance is 100 miles. Okay. So when they are driving towards each other, the speed will increase. So x plus y. Let x be the speed of first car, y of the second car. So x plus y. And the time taken is 1 hour. So is equal to 1. So this is the first equation. Okay, let's find points on it. If you put x is equal to 50, you will get y also 50. If you put x is equal to 40, you will get y as 60. So these are the 2 points, and let us plot them. So here in this sum, I'm going to draw a graph like this. X-axis, I'm going to keep an interval of 10 because the numbers are high here. We are not going to write 1, 2, 3. We are going to write 10, 20, 30, 40. Similarly for the y-axis, x-axis denotes the speed of the first car, y-axis of the second car. Okay, so here let's plot the point. So here, if the value of x is 40, the value of y is 60, this is the point, and the 50, 50, this is the point. So this line. So this line denotes this first equation. Okay, let's go to the second. So if they drive in the same direction, they will meet in 2 hours. So distance is same, 100 upon, here we will subtract x minus y is equal to 2. 2 is the time taken. Okay, now write down this equation. We get x minus y is equal to 50, y is equal to x minus 50. So put value of x as 60, you get y as 10. Put x as 80, you get y as 30. So I've got 2. You can put any values. I've just put like this. So first point 60, 10. So here x value is, x coordinate is 60, y coordinate is 10. This is the point. 80, 30, this is the point. Okay, join them, and this is the second line. This is for this equation. Okay, they both intersect at this point. Let's find the coordinates of this point. If you draw a line like this, you can see that the x coordinate is 75. Draw a line like this, the y coordinate is 25. So solution is 75, 25. That is x is equal to 75 kilometers per hour and y is equal to 25 kilometers per hour. So here we come to the end of this video. Please go through the video once again. Take a graph paper, plot the points, practice it. See, this exercise is very important because the sum which comes from this exercise will be around 8 marks or something. So we can score this marks easily.